Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss the top 10 engineering jobs in the coming years at nearly 2025 or 2030 especially for the engineering students. First job, VR or AR architect. Virtual reality is a technology in which you enjoy the computer generated world. So VR and AR architects is a emerging technology which is going to happen in the blooming is going to happen in the year 2025 and 2030. So the engineers can opt the area of VR and AR architecture. Next, second, neural interface designer. And we all know that nowadays the computers are going to interface with a human being. Computer human interfacing is very important. And we need that brain mapping to study that characteristics of the brain. So the neural interface designer is very much interested for the coming years. Number three, bioethics. Bioethics is a combination of two words, bio and ethics. And nowadays we have that so many problems available in the health sector. So we need that some sort of stem cell and DNA operations, and that should be in the form of ethical form. That engineers are very much interested, are the required for the coming years. Number four, cybersecurity expert and media police. And we all know that everybody they are involved in that cyber activities like internet activities. We need that our data, our information, our wealth should be very secure form. So we need a cyber security expert or the media police in the coming years, and without them then we cannot do that our process without any problem. So the cyber security and expert media police is also one of the emerging area for the engineers in the coming year 2025 and 2030. Number 5, nanotech engineers. So we all know that the robotic is going to rule the entire world in the next 10 years or the 15 years or 20 years. So we need that the nanotechnology engineers to make that entire process in the nano level, not in the micro level. So the 10 to the power minus 9 in the scale, nanoscale technology is going to happen, very miniature type of robots and miniature type of any machines we need to develop. So the nanotechnology engineers are very much needed for the coming years 2025 and 2030. Number 6, data scientist. We know that the entire information is nowadays in the form of data, and we must know how to handle the data, how to analyze the data, how to manipulate the data. So the each and every companies, they need the people to handle the data in the effective form. So the data scientist is another emerging and important area for the engineers for the coming years. Number 7, AI enhanced and freelancers. So we all know that the AI is emerging in that all field, not only in the medicine, not only in the engineering, not only in the pharmacy, not only in that any other technology. The AI is now is involved to make that the entire computation in the form of intelligent form. So the AI enhanced freelancers is also very much demand for the next coming years. So the engineers really you can take that AI oriented courses to flourish for that our job opportunity in the year 2025 and 2030. Number 8, quantum tech grows. So the entire computing technology is going to in the form of a quantum computing. So the quantum computing is another emerging and interesting area for that future development. So those who are interested in that quantum mechanics or quantum computing, then that engineers can easily get the opportunity till the year of 2040. So the engineers, the engineering students can easily take that direction towards the quantum computing. That is another emerging area for the job opportunity. Number 9, IoT home automation professionals. So nowadays, the entire home professionals or home appliances are related or connected with that Wi-Fi or that internet. So we need to control the entire home appliances. This is keep on developing. It is keep on increase. So such type of IoT based engineers is also a hot cake in the coming years. So the engineers, those who are interested in the IoT, they can take the IoT, they can make that job opportunity in the coming years 2025, 2030 until 2040. They can expect that very good jobs in the area of IoT. Number 10, 3D printing fabricators. We all know that now that 3D printing is a emerging technology mainly for the engineers before moving to that design the computer or design that any computer aided design. That design is now it is converted to the 3D form. Before making to that original form, we can easily develop that any prototype, and that prototype can be used in that other sector also. So nowadays the 3D fabricators, 3D printing fabricators is also demanding job. So those who are in the mechanical field and oriented to computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, then they can easily adopt, or you can usually go in that field of 3D printing fabricators. That is also the another emerging area for the engineers in the coming year. So now that future is in your hand, so get start your work, get start your study based on that availability, based on that forthcoming future trends. That is very important for the engineers, those who are selecting the proper course. Thank you. Thank you very much.